Welcome to our Irregular Verbs quiz. Today, we are going to test your knowledge of irregular verbs in English. Irregular verbs don't follow the typical pattern when changing tenses, and they can be a bit tricky to master. But fear not, by the end of this quiz, you'll have a much better grasp of them. Before we get started, remember, in each question, choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. Options A and B are provided for your convenience. Keep track of your score, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest quizzes and educational content. Let's get started. John ate his dinner quickly. She writes a letter every day. They swam in the pool yesterday. My cat caught a mouse last night. We sang our favorite songs at the party. The chef baked a delicious cake. He drove to the airport this morning. She forgot her keys at home. They flew to Paris for the weekend. The children grew taller over the summer. Peter took the bus to work. She broke her favorite vase. The kids ate all the cookies. They fell asleep during the movie. Mary ran a marathon last week. We built a sandcastle at the beach. He gave me a beautiful flower. She swore she would never do it again. They wrote a heartfelt letter to their friend. The storm blew the roof off the house. She rides her bike to school every day. I read a great book last weekend. They ate a delicious meal at the restaurant. He told a fascinating story to the children. We ate the entire pizza at the party. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Mary sang a beautiful song at the concert. She wakes up early every morning. They had a lot of fun on their vacation. The teacher taught a lesson about history. He scored a fantastic goal in the soccer game. We took a hike in the mountains last summer. Sarah did her homework diligently. The cat lies under the table. They drove their friend's car yesterday. He played the guitar beautifully. She dyed her hair bright red. We watched the movie last night. The baby cried all night. They danced to the music all evening. Congratulations on completing our irregular verbs quiz. We hope you enjoyed the challenge and learned more about these unique verbs. Did you score like a grammar pro, or are there a few verbs you'd like to review? Share your scores in the comments section below and let us know what other English language topics you'd like to explore in future quizzes.